Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall 1Password. So let's have a look now. Go to the control panel on your Windows computer, select Programs, Uninstall Programs, and find 1Password in the list of installed programs. Right-click on 1Password and choose Uninstall. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the uninstallation process. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.